Hello design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your premier destination for all things home decor and design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're taking a deep dive into an architectural style that has captivated homeowners worldwide with its serene simplicity and profound connection to nature, Scandinavian home exterior design. If you appreciate functionality, natural beauty, and an effortlessly chic aesthetic, you're in for a treat. So, what exactly defines Scandinavian home exterior design? It's an architectural approach deeply rooted in the Nordic philosophy of Hygge, embracing coziness and comfort, combined with a strong emphasis on simplicity, functionality, and a connection to the natural environment. Key characteristics often include clean lines, a minimalist aesthetic, and an honest use of materials. You'll frequently see natural wood siding, often in light or dark stains, alongside white, gray, or black elements. Large windows are crucial for maximizing natural light, especially in regions with shorter daylight hours. The overall aim is to create a welcoming, unpretentious, and harmonious facade that blends seamlessly with its surroundings, reflecting a sense of calm and understated elegance. Why is Scandinavian home exterior design gaining so much popularity? The benefits are truly compelling. Firstly, its timeless appeal ensures your home will look stylish for decades to come, avoiding fleeting trends. The minimalist approach focuses on enduring quality and classic forms. Secondly, the emphasis on natural light and open views creates interiors that are bright, airy, and feel connected to the outdoors, promoting a sense of well-being and spaciousness even in smaller homes. Thirdly, the use of durable, natural materials like wood, stone, and metal not only contributes to the aesthetic but also often means lower maintenance and better longevity, while being more environmentally conscious. Lastly, Scandinavian designs are inherently energy efficient. Their thoughtful insulation, strategic window placement, and compact forms are often designed to withstand harsh northern climates, making them practical and sustainable choices. Decorating a Scandinavian home exterior isn't about excessive ornamentation, it's about curated simplicity and highlighting the architecture itself. Start with a restrained color palette, typically whites, grays, blacks, and natural wood tones, allowing the textures of the materials to shine. Use minimalist lighting fixtures, think simple wall sconces or recessed lights, that provide functionality without drawing too much attention. For the entryway, a clean-lined wooden bench or a simple modern doormat can add a welcoming touch. Consider strategically placed planters with robust, understated greenery rather than overly colorful flowers. If you have a patio or deck, furnish it with simple, comfortable outdoor furniture made from natural materials like wood or rattan. Keep landscaping clean and uncluttered, with defined pathways and natural, low-maintenance plants that complement the home's calm aesthetic. The goal is a cohesive look where every element serves a purpose and contributes to a sense of serenity. Now let's explore some real-world examples that perfectly capture the essence of Scandinavian home exterior design. Here are our top 10 best Scandinavian home exterior design ideas to inspire your next project. One, serene minimalist house with wood accents. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have a breathtaking minimalist home that embodies tranquility and natural integration. This single-story residence features a clean, flat roofline and a harmonious blend of white stucco and warm wooden siding, creating inviting textural contrast. Large floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows offer expansive views into the beautifully designed interiors and bring in abundant natural light. The entrance is truly unique, with a series of light-colored concrete stepping stones traversing a calm, dark reflecting pond, flanked by lush green ground cover and natural rocks. Mature, light foliage trees frame the house, providing a serene backdrop and enhancing the sense of a private oasis. The subtle exterior lighting hints at a warm and welcoming atmosphere as day turns to dusk. 2. Modern home entryway with vertical wood slats. Coming in at number 2, this image perfectly showcases a contemporary Scandinavian-inspired entryway that prioritizes texture and natural elements. The house features light, natural-toned vertical wood siding, creating a clean and inviting facade. The entryway itself is recessed and covered by an overhang supported by a striking pattern of vertical wood slats, which extend along one side of the entrance, providing both aesthetic appeal and subtle screening. Large, fluffy pampas grass plumes and various green shrubs flank the path leading to the light-colored wooden front door, adding organic softness to the strong architectural lines. The minimalist landscaping reinforces the serene and welcoming feel, allowing the clean lines and natural materials to truly shine. 3. Contemporary home with mixed siding. At number 3, we have a striking contemporary home that incorporates elements often seen in modern Scandinavian design, particularly its bold use of different materials and clean forms. This house features an intriguing asymmetrical design with varying rooflines and gables. The exterior is clad in a mix of materials: dark gray horizontal siding, light natural wood planks, and a darker, possibly metal, paneling around windows. The dominant dark gray portion on the left is complemented by a lighter gray stone or textured siding on the lower left. Large, clean-lined windows with dark frames are strategically placed to maximize light. A neatly manicured lawn and simple shrubs in the foreground maintain a minimalist landscape, allowing the unique architectural forms and material interplay to be the focal point. A white car is parked on a paved driveway to the left, blending with the modern aesthetic. 4. Contemporary home with natural wood accents and stone facade. For number 4, feast your eyes on this beautiful contemporary home that beautifully balances natural elements with modern design. The house features a prominent, low-pitched roof with deep eaves, showcasing the warm, natural wood soffits and ceiling, which are illuminated by soft, recessed lighting, creating an inviting glow. The facade combines light-colored stacked stone, particularly around the entryway, with sections of smooth, light-toned stucco. Large windows and glass panels, including a striking tall triangular window that follows the roofline, invite ample natural light and views. Vertical wood slats on the right side of the house add textural interest. The minimalist landscaping includes gravel, low-growing plants, and subtle accent lighting along the pathways, enhancing the home's warm and sophisticated ambience as evening descends. 5. Modern two-story home with wood siding and white stucco. Our fifth spot brings us a stunning modern two-story residence that perfectly encapsulates Scandinavian-inspired simplicity and elegance. The home features a harmonious blend of warm, horizontal wooden siding and crisp white stucco, creating a balanced and inviting exterior. Large floor-to-ceiling glass panels and sliding doors on the ground floor open onto a wooden deck, seamlessly connecting the interior to the outdoors. A minimalist plunge pool with a dark liner is situated in the front yard, reflecting the clear sky. The landscaping is clean and sculptural, with neatly trimmed circular shrubs, large white stones, and a mix of green lawn and light gravel, contributing to a serene and uncluttered environment. A discreet outdoor seating area on the deck provides a perfect spot for relaxation. 6. Modern house with green roof and black facade. Coming in at number 6, this house presents a striking and bold take on modern minimalist design, hinting at Scandinavian influences through its clean lines and connection to nature. The home features a dark, almost black, lower volume with vertical slat details, creating a strong base. Above this, a contrasting white upper volume, with large, recessed glass windows, provides visual lightness and openness. A unique feature is the presence of green roofs on both the lower and upper volumes, blending the architecture with the natural environment and suggesting sustainability. A small, tranquil water feature with a single tree stands in the foreground, surrounded by a manicured lawn and sparse, young trees, enhancing the serene and architectural presence of the home. 7. Modern lake house with pavilion design and wood accents. At number 7, we see a stunning modern lake house, which truly embraces transparency and a deep connection to its waterside setting. The home features multiple pavilion-like structures with large expanses of glass and dark, clean-lined roof eaves, allowing for panoramic views of the water. Sections of vertical wood slats are used as exterior cladding and screening, adding warmth and texture while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. One section of the house appears to hover over the water on stilts, enhancing its light and open feel. The surrounding landscape includes natural grasses, large rocks, and subtle lighting, creating a serene and integrated environment, especially beautiful as the sun sets over the water. 8. Elegant single-story glass pavilion home. For number 8, we have an exceptionally elegant single-story pavilion-style home that exudes minimalist luxury. The structure features a large, flat, light-colored roof with a generous overhang, supported by slender columns, creating a dramatic sense of shelter. The home is almost entirely enclosed in floor-to-ceiling glass, allowing the vibrant green surrounding trees to become the backdrop for the minimalist interior. Sections of the exterior are clad in striking white marble with dark veining, adding a touch of sophisticated texture. An expansive light-colored patio extends from the house, providing ample space for outdoor living and dining. The house sits on a raised plinth surrounded by a pristine lawn, emphasizing its modern, elevated presence within the natural landscape. 9. Modern Scandi house with Japanese garden influence. Taking the 9th spot is a remarkable modern house that beautifully combines minimalist Scandinavian principles with elements of Japanese garden design. The single-story structure features large glass walls and sliding doors, allowing abundant natural light and views of the meticulously curated dry garden. The exterior is a blend of smooth concrete, warm wooden panels under a broad, overhanging roof, and a clean, white fascia. A minimalist Japanese-style garden dominates the foreground, featuring carefully raked white gravel, stepping stones, and perfectly pruned bonsai trees or cloud-pruned shrubs. The use of natural materials, clean lines, and an intentional, serene landscape reflects the core tenets of both Scandinavian and Japanese aesthetics, creating a truly harmonious home. 10. Contemporary home with multiple levels and clean lines. And finally, at number 10, we present a striking contemporary home that demonstrates the versatility of minimalist design through its multi-level structure and sophisticated material palette. The house features a bold interplay of dark gray and light beige cladding, with sections of warm horizontal wooden slats adding a touch of natural texture. Large, dark-framed windows are strategically placed across the facade, providing glimpses into the well-lit interiors. A prominent flat roofline adds to the modern aesthetic. The landscaping in the foreground is meticulously designed with a minimalist Japanese-inspired garden, featuring white gravel, dark river stones, and carefully placed evergreen shrubs, all illuminated by subtle uplighting. A sleek dark gate and fence define the property, completing the sharp, clean, and inviting exterior. And there you have it, 10 incredible Scandinavian home exterior designs that prove simplicity, functionality, and a connection to nature can create truly stunning and inviting homes. These examples showcase how a focus on clean lines, natural materials, and abundant light results in a timeless and harmonious aesthetic. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern Scandinavian house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.